Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Yay, another video together again.
Yeah. So do you remember we were having this conversation about who should sit on the Iron Throne?
Oh yes, of course, Cersei.
No. What?
Who else do you think is a better option?
Daenerys.
Obvious match.
Yeah, so what?
Okay, tell me in what possible ways Daenerys is better than Cersei Lannister.
First of all, the throne is hers by right because she's a Targaryen.
She's also the Mad King's daughter.
Yeah, Cersei is more crazier than Daenerys. Like, if we're talking for crazy.
Okay, Cersei may not be next to throne by blood, but she does have everything it takes for her to sit there.
But Cersei is always looking out for her own family and herself. But Daenerys is looking after everyone. She looks after the people, not only her own kin.
Yeah, but she doesn't even look after her own. She is ready to sacrifice her family, her dragons, her everything just to claim the throne. But Cersei actually is very protective of her family and her home. I think that is a good quality to be a ruler.
Okay. But when we look at it, people actually want Daenerys as their queen. They actually want to follow her, but they only fear Cersei.
Okay, but at least Cersei gives people a trial before execution. Daenerys just turns people into barbecue without warning.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody sees Daenerys as a savior and follows her, but I think Cersei is the only one who sees her for the real she and real Daenerys, and she's the only one who kind of understands her.
Yeah, I think
She maybe sees herself in her.
Yeah, both of them are way more similar than we think. Like both of them get so power hungry at one point that Cersei actually lets Jaime go, and Daenerys becomes so power hungry that she goes crazy and she starts burning down cities and people and with her dragon.
Okay, one way I want to agree with you is I think Cersei has been more lucky compared to Daenerys.
Yeah, Cersei has been like way more privileged than Daenerys because she was born into a very good family and she was looked after really well with she was born with a silver spoon. But Daenerys, from the very beginning, she has had struggles. She has had her mom died when she was born, and she had a really bad brother who treated her not so well, and he
sells her off
to the Dothrakis, and even there she has a lot of troubles, and she has to like travel across the sea to even get to Westeros.
The throne, yeah.
So I think Cersei has had it easier there than Daenerys. So that is why I think Daenerys deserves to be queen, because she's had the struggle.
Crossing the mountains and seas and getting all the way to the throne is one thing, but actually sitting on the throne and doing what it takes is totally different. But you're blaming all these things on Cersei because she's always shown her true self and she's been honest about who she is. But don't you think Daenerys also has a dark side and she's kept it hidden?
Yeah, that is true, and that is what we meant when we said they're way more similar than we think. Yeah, Cersei just shows us who she is, but Daenerys also has a dark side, but doesn't
she's
show.
manipulated.
And also we can see how Daenerys is fit to be on the throne because she's always planning her next move and she strategizes everything.
But that is because she has the manpower behind to plan it for her and
But that's not a bad thing. Like,
guide her through every step. But Cersei has been doing everything on her own, and like at one point everybody abandons her, but she still keeps it together all on her own. So that's an amazing quality.
Yeah. Okay. Whatever differences they've had, I think both of them have like really loving partners.
Yeah, I think again Cersei is lucky that way. Like she's had Jaime with her, loyal to her,
and at least he was alive. Like Drogo even died before he even promised to take her to the throne. He died before that. Yeah, Cersei has been lucky again. While discussing, I realized that both of these characters are like so strong that they'd make really good queens, and I think both of them should get to sit on the throne, and they would just rule the Seven Kingdoms.
Absolutely. If they don't kill each other.
Yeah, before they kill each other. So what do you guys think? Who should be queen, Cersei or Daenerys? Please let us know in the comments.
Yeah. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. Happy reading.
Bye.